Someone has asked me about the deal of the day videos, and he told me, man, it doesn't really worth to make a video about it. You can just make it as a picture or a chart analysis and just post it on TradingView, or you can even make it as a picture on Facebook group. The answer comes straight. This is educational channel. Extreme Trader is aiming to actually educate everyone about trading Forex, and the idea here is not to just give you a signal. The idea also is to teach those who want to take the signals by themselves to how they gonna be able to find these signals in the future by themselves. So let me tell you something. I found here EuroCAD. EuroCAD actually seems very interesting, and I think it's very appealing to be bought very soon. The pair is already falling, and I think after just 5 pips we can start buying this pair. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame we can see clearly that the market is actually rising like this, and that support trend line is being respected, and we're having right here a support zone. So therefore, most likely, this pair is going to continue the rise, and the target this time is going to be the peak of the resistance at 1.46110. Now, of course, let me just tell you something. Here on the same level where we are planning to start buying, where we are planning to start buying the pair, we can see clearly that it was also previously a strong resistance level, and not to mention, of course, this is strong key support level, which we are actually relying on to use this signal. Therefore, if we move to the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here a resistance trend line, and right after the breakout happened, the bullish breakout happened, the market now is actually falling to retest that level, and most likely it's gonna keep its position again as a support. Therefore, EuroCAD is good to be bought at 1.45290. Actually, I need to send this signal very quickly. It seems like the pair is already approaching the level. There are actually more analysis on it, but however, I don't think that there is enough time to talk about it. One of them, actually, my friends, is the resistance trend line that we're having right here. And we can see clearly that the market actually has made the bullish breakout from that resistance trend line, and therefore we can expect from the pair to fall right here and continue the rise after retesting that broken resistance trend line. So anyway, back to the 15-minute time frame. This is actually, my friends, where we can start buying this pair. Okay, like that. And the target, of course, as I mentioned before, is gonna be right here, the peak of the resistance. That should be fine. We can expect to make approximately 51 pips profit from this signal. Take profit level is going to be 1.45805. And the stop loss. The stop loss shouldn't be actually high, should be low. Exactly right here, because we are depending on that resistance trend line and that support zone, that support trend line zone right here. So if the pair is going to be able to exceed that level, then most likely this trade is no longer valid. Therefore, stop loss at 1.45007. Of course, I have to remind everyone that today the market is going to be slow, of course, due to the holidays of the Christmas. And in this occasion, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all the Christians in our family here in Extreme Trader, and of course to everyone, and wishing all of you guys a very happy new year and nice Christmas days. Just enjoy your times. And of course, the pair is almost like 5 pips far away from the entry. I believe that's everything. Yeah, so I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.